Hi everyone, welcome back to our next video on this AI 900 series. In this video, we will explore the world of computer vision, which is a fascinating branch of AI that helps machine understand and interpret the visual world, just like we do. So today we will take a look at the key concepts of computer vision, image processing, from understanding how images are represented and extracted the valuable insights from it. So we will also look Azure AI Vision, a cloud-based services from Microsoft, which offers pre-built model for the tasks like caption generation, object detection, image tagging, and more. So let's get ready for the hands-on part where we will dive into the Azure AI Vision Studio. We will analyze real-world images, generate captions, tag objects, even detect objects in images using pre-built model in Vision Studio. So let's get started. So log into your Azure portal. If you are not logged in, just create one Azure portal and just log in with your account. We have to create an Azure AI service resource. So just go to this create a resource button, click on it and search for Azure AI services and click on it. Here you will see that this is the Azure AI services. Click on create and click on Azure AI service. So Azure AI services includes numerous capabilities of understanding images. So AI vision, Azure AI vision, it's kind of Azure AI services which have the numerous capabilities of understanding the image content and context and extracting the information from the image. It allows you to try out many of the capabilities of image analysis. So in this demo, we will use the Vision Studio to analyze the image using some pre-built models. So let's just create the Azure AI services. You have to put some configurations right up here. So in the subscription, you have to choose one subscription, either it's free trial or something else which you have already. In the resource group, if you don't have, just create one. I don't have any resource groups. I will create a new resource group for this demo. So I'm name it as Vision resource group. Click on OK. In the region, I will choose US East because many of the AI services are recently launched, and so it's kind of in the US East region first and then in the later on. So we go with the East US region. In the name, let's just put any unique name. So let me just demo dive vision. Okay, so it says that this provides a norm is either invalid or already in use. So let me just put something right up here like 007. Yeah, so it is available. So next we have to choose the pricing tier. So select on it and it will have the standard one, no the free trial. So we have to choose the standard one and we have to check this box to acknowledge that I have read understood all the terms and condition. So these all are the responsible use of AI documentation for the reading kind of purpose, so that we are using the AI services as a responsible person, responsible developer kind of thing. So just check this. And for the network identity and tags tab, we are going with the default one. So after choosing all this step, click on next. You can see that uh, in the network we are going with the default, in the identity section we are going with the default, and we don't want any tag right now. Just clicking on the next. So we are on the last page of the review create. It will check the validation whether our configurations is correct or not. So our configuration is correct and we are good to go with the creating the Azure AI services. So we will just click on. So we will just click on create button. So it will create the Azure AI services in our Azure portal. Next thing what we needs to do, we have to navigate to the Azure AI Vision Studio provided by the Microsoft. So go in the next tab, new tab, and go to this URL. I will provide this link in the description. You have to go to this portal.vision.cognitive.azure.com. So by the meantime, you will be able to see that this deployment is completed. So just go to the go to resource. So our Azure AI services has been created. So these Azure AI services have multiple use case. So in this you can use different kind of thing, language, speech, vision, document, and all these things of Azure we can use it under this hood, under this resource. So let's just go to the Vision Studio tab. Here we can able to see that we have to sign in with our account. Just click on sign in. So you will be able to see that it will a pop-up comes up, welcome to the new Vision Studio, and you will be able to log in with your account, with the login account, as same as the Azure portal. So it's right up here. So we are logged in. So next we have to select the resource to work with. So for that we have to go to the view all resource button, or you have to click on the settings also. We just go to the view all resources. We can able to see that this resource which we created right now in US East is pop up. Just select this one and click on set as default resource, because we don't have any default resource right now. So just click on select as default resource. After selecting, you will be able to see that our current resource is set as this resource created by us in Azure AI service, and the subscription is our Azure subscription. So after setting this thing, close this tab. Next thing, we are good to go with our configurations, and we are ready to use Azure AI Vision Studio. So let's go with the first, like generating the captions for the image, for any kind of image. So I will provide some images kind of thing and documents, images link, so that you can also try it out, but you can also upload your image also to test it out, these things. So generating captions for an image, to do this, navigate to this Vision Studio page, basically logged in with your account and setting the resource. After that, go to the add captions to image. Scroll down and you will be able to see that add captions to image. Click on it. So here we have to acknowledge that this demo will incur the uses to resource which we created in our Azure account. So select it, and I will provide some of the images. If you want to try out those images, then download it from the description. Otherwise you can also choose your images also. So go to this browse for a file. I have downloaded it in my local system. So just click on this, and I have uploaded it in this right up here, store camera 1 jpg. So upload this as store camera 1 jpg. This is the image, and now it's calculating with the pre-built model in the Vision Studio. So it will auto generate the captions to the image. So you will be able to see that a woman and a girl in the grocery store. This is the caption it generated using this image. This is the output kind of thing. In the JSON format, it will gives like something like this by calling the APIs. So next, just I want to use the dense captioning kind of thing, because this is the image captioning. It will provide one caption for an image by looking the overview of the image. So in this image, a woman and a girl shopping in the grocery store, so it will comes out as the woman and girl in the grocery store. So to use the dense captioning feature, just go back to the Vision Studio page and search for the dense captioning. You will be able to see right up inside the, just search for the dense, it will appear. Add dense captions to the image right up here. Just select this again, check acknowledge this thing, because it will use our resource which we created. You can also try it out with these images also. I'm just going with the image which I downloaded, and the link is in the description. So So just browse the file and again choose the store one camera, store one file, this one. Earlier one we have only one captions, but now we use the dense captioning, so it will generate different captions. Like you can just click on it, and a woman and a girls in a grocery store, a woman smiling with while holding a phone, a person holding a phone case, because a woman and a man, it can be a person, a woman wearing a purple hat, and all these things. So it will uh, create some dense caption features, which is different from the caption capabilities, and it provides multiple human readable captions for an image. Each detected object including a bounding box which defines the pixel coordinates within the image associated with the object. You can see that sometimes this feedback windows is open, so you can just cancel it out, or if you want to provide some feedback to Azure, you can do that as well. So after this, let's move to the after uh, captioning the images, let's go and try it out to tag some images, the next feature of Vision Studio. So just go to the home page of the Vision Studio by clicking on it, and next we are using to tag some images, extract the tags. So just explore the extract common tags from images feature, extract common tags from images, click on it and acknowledge this resource which we already done. So it will shows that while running prediction with custom model, you might experience longer time because it's kind of custom model. So we have the ability to train your train our custom model as well, but we are going with the pre-built model to analyze the tagging part here, right up here. So we can also choose the language in which we want to tag our images. So I'm going with the English, and then we can upload the next image. So let me just use the next image, store camera 2. So this is the image which we are using. So it will tag different things from the images, like clothing 99%, person 98%. So we can see the list of tags extracted from the images and their confidence score for each of the detected attributes panel. So this confidence score is the likelihood that the text for the detected attribute describes what actually is in present in the images. So it is a good thing, like which thing is present in the image, we can actually get some idea and get some confidence score with the tagging itself. So this is the feature of extracting common tags from images. This is another feature of Vision Studio. So let's go and try another feature of a Vision Studio, which is the object detection. Just again go to the home tab and choose the object detection from the Vision Studio menu. Detect common objects in images. Where can we see that? Detect common objects in images, right up here. You can see detect common objects in images. Again, you have to acknowledge the thing that it will use our created resources. So all these features we can use SDK references if you want to integrate with REST APIs, and sample GitHub solve also helping. So you can go check it out, all these things for all the features if you want to integrate with your application or code. So let's go with the object detection feature. Here we can also have that custom model and the pre-built model. So we are going with the pre-built model and uploading our next images. So let me just upload the store camera 3. Here we can see that we have one bar kind of thing, which is the threshold value. So this threshold value is kind of uh, thresholding, basically it's kind of probably it kinds of showing the probability. So it specifies that the only object identified with a confidence score or probability greater than the threshold should be displayed. So like that, you are able to see that here is a person with 84 percentage and supermarket with 50 percentage, and we are setting the threshold value as 15%. And if you increase this threshold and move it up to 55, then it will remove the move it up to plus 55 or 55, it will remove the supermarket thing because its threshold value is less than the what we want. So only the person with 84% is visible now to detect the objects right up here. And if we increase it up to 90, then person is also gone, so it will not able to detect any object because our threshold is too high. So let me just go and set it again with the 20. So this is the threshold value feature uses for in the object detection thing. So this is the another uh, feature of Vision Studio. So we can also use video retrieval and summary, recognize products and shelves, customize models with images, remove backgrounds from images, extract text from images, detect faces in images, and many more features are available in Vision Studio. These are all are the only the features uh, kind of thing. We can also have the face analysis, which we will do in our next video, and the text, extract the text, which we will do in our next video. So for this video we are good to go. We will be able to learn how to generate captions from the images, tag the images with what are the objects in that, how we can tag, and detect the objects in the images in this hands-on practice. So that's it for this video. So we are using this Azure subscription right up here. So go to this subscription resource group which we created. After you have done this hands-on, don't forget to delete this resource group, because if you are using it in integrating in some of the application, it will use the Azure AI services, and it's quite I think it will take some pricing kind of thing. So always remember that you have to delete this resource group whenever you don't want the resources to be run. You have to delete the resource group in which the resources are created. So just delete this resource group, click on it and copy this resource group name and paste it. So that's it for this hands-on. So in this hands-on we will learn that how we can analyze the images in Vision Studio to generate caption, tag images, and object detection. Hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Thank you.